How to make footsteps louder in Warzone. So this is going to be without the Immersive Gamepack or Artist War, just purely the settings on Warzone that you get for free. So first of all, click the Start or Options button on your PlayStation or Xbox controller, then press R1 or RB to get along to the Settings cog. There, in the Settings menu, you want to scroll down to Audio, press onto that. In the audio settings, you should be able to see something that looks a bit like this, where at the top you'll see the volumes, etc. What you want to do is go ahead and click X on that or square on the PlayStation. Then that will go ahead and be able to get you to this bit here, where the first setting you're going to want to put it all the way down to 0. You don't want that gameplay music volume, that's going to take over the footsteps. You want to have the dialogue volume maybe to 20. You can technically put it to 0, but obviously you kind of want to hear if like the zone's movie or something. Cinematic game volume down to 0. That's what you want as well. So, of course, if you did have the Immersive Gamepack, you purchased that, it would be better to do. Also, you can get the settings on other devices like Artist War, etc. But basically, the settings I have here with the Treyarch mix, the audio settings, just like you can see right now, that's basically the best ones you can get for free on your Warzone. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.